Your referral program spiked signups, but growth stalls when every mission pays the same 20 points. Seasoned game designers know the fix. Multipliers. Double XP weekend, triple point streaks. People love watching numbers grow faster. Because SuPal Point is already an on-chain token, we can apply multipliers right in the mint path. No central database required. Users trust the boost because anyone can query the contract and confirm, yes, level 3 wallets really earn 2.5 times. Marketing wins flexibility. Tweak the curve with an upgrade cap, publish the change to Discord, watch daily active wallets pop. Today, we'll design and implement a multiplier engine tied to user level and streak length, then wire it into the existing Mint to Helper. So every Mint, airdrop, referral, marketplace rebate automatically scales. We keep maths intuitive. A wallet's level bumps every 1,000 lifetime points. Easy to explain, simple to verify on-chain. Streak counts calendar days with at least one on-chain action. Reset to 0 if the user skips 24 hours. Multipliers sit in a two-dimensional table stored on-chain, so growth teams can tune values without redeploying core logic. When mint points amount fires, we fetch the user's level, fetch their streak, look up the factor, multiply, then check we still respect the global supply cap proven earlier by Move Prover. The extra mint is atomic. If adding the boost would overflow the cap, the transaction aborts, no partial payout. We broadcast a multiplier applied event carrying level, streak, raw amount, and final amount, letting UIs animate confetti and letting analysts track uplift. Gamification invites grinding. Bad actors might script one Lamport transfers every second to inflate streaks. We add a 10-minute cooldown between multiplier mints, plus the streak counter only advances on transaction spending at least 100 gas units. Cheap enough not to hurt real users, pricey for bots. The global supply cap invariant ensures we can't mint ourselves into hyperinflation. Finally, our config singleton includes an eyes-paused bool. Governance can flip it in one block if someone discovers a loophole, buying time for a code patch. Multiplier config lives as a shared singleton. Address at 0x boost. Each entry stores a multiplier in basis points to avoid floats. 1,500 basis points equals times 1.5. Keys are two U8 buckets, level bin 012 and streak bin 012. A spare is paused bool toggles the engine on-off. User streak adopts key plus store and is owned by the user address. Cheap to update daily. Events carry 5 fields, so dashboards can compute average uplift without crawling storage. We encode the 3x3 grid into a flat U8 to U16 table. The helper key multiplies the level bucket by 10, then adds the streak bucket, keeping IDs unique yet compact. Basis points, BPS, avoid floating math, times 1.5 equals 1,500 BPAs. You could store JSON off-chain and load via upgrade, but embedding defaults in code gives sane presets even if marketing forgets to configure. The entry does a lot, but each step is self-contained. We retrieve or lazily create the user's user streak. Epoch Math updates the streak counter or resets it if they skipped days. A quick cooldown assert stops machine gun calls. Level comes from token jot balance of, dividing by 1,000. Binning collapses the infinite level streak space into 3 buckets each. We abort if the campaign is paused. The multiplier table lookup returns BPS. We multiply mint and raise an event. Because mint already enforces supply cap, no extra proof code needed. If boosters plus base overshoot the cap, transaction aborts and users see a supply exhausted toast. Unit tests feed deterministic inputs. We brute mint 2,000 points so the user is level 2. We fast forward epics to build a 7-day streak, Then call Mint with multiplier 100. Expected booster is 2000 BPS times 2, so wallet total should climb by exactly 200. If a future change misspins the level or streak, the assertion fires red. Extend this suite with failure cases: cooldown violation, paused flag, supply overflow. Gamification is only fun if users see it. The event tells you the multiplier. Flash a banner plus 200 points. Multiplier times 2. Display a streak bar that fills with each day, a level meter that lights up every 1,000 points. Tell users what's next. Netflix never hides the next episode. Your app shouldn't hide the next level. If marketing pauses the campaign, the UI should gray out the bar and explain why, preventing confusion. Data closes the loop. Store base versus boosted amounts in the event table. Divide to get true ROI. Maybe times 3 is overkill. Testnet AB can tell. Streak curves by time zone hint when to send a push. Don't break your streak. List an NFT now. Finally, supply isn't infinite. At current booster settings, you may exhaust the cap in 8 months. Plan top-ups or deflation ahead of time.